So this is Rosa, who's just done the day 2 of the Permanent Makeup Startup course with Katy at the Training Academy. So Rosa, today we're doing lots more practicing again, and what did we get on with today? Were you doing sort of lips and eyes as well as brows?
Lips first thing, and then we did eyes. Didn't do any brows today, so did that yesterday.
Yeah, full on day yesterday.
Lips and eyeliner today.
Okay, brilliant. And then did you use sort of different types of needles and see how they...
Got a really good feel for needles. Kate was able to pick out the ones that I worked best with. So yeah, just got a good feel for all different types of needles and doing lips, and I was better with some of lips than I was with the eyeliner, and then ones that I wasn't as good with the lips, I was better with the liner.
Oh right, okay. I suppose that's the beauty of tailoring it one-to-one, because Kate can find your strengths.
Oh yeah, definitely. And she was definitely able to figure out which needles were best suited to my hand and the way I work.
Yeah, excellent. And did you find, because I know you've been chatting about, she's told you lots of stories about the past and all that sort of stuff, did you find it useful sort of hearing what she's done, how she's come from, and the sort of examples of...
Yeah, definitely. It's good to hear where she's come from, and yeah, definitely it's good.
Excellent. And we obviously went through a bit of business stuff as well this afternoon, just to go through, give you some ideas. Was that sort of useful to sort of figure out the ways you can go forward, getting clients and things as well?
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely something that I will go into with that as well. It was really interesting. Loads to understand and loads to... Yeah,
it's quite intense, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think that's good.
Yeah.
It shows like how much there is, and it's eye-opening.
Yeah, and I suppose like if you're in a group, I suppose, training, then you can get hidden at the back and you can hide away a little bit, but it's not quite the same here when you're...
It is good. I think that's better. I think it's the best way.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I suppose at least you can go at your own pace and everything.
Yeah, and ask questions, whereas if you're hiding at the back and you have a question, you might not want to ask it, but...
Did you feel like over the days because we mixed it up with sort of video training, computer-based training, as well as actually sort of in-house on the skins and that as well, so has it been a sort of a nice mixture overall, do you feel?
Yeah, because I started off doing like the eyeliner, did that on the practice skin first, and then actually seeing Kate do it on a video, it just sort of, I don't know, it just made more sense.
Yeah.
And it's just completely different.
And it's also nice because you're splitting the course up, so you're doing a couple of days now and then you're going to be doing a couple of days later on all the live models. So is it quite useful that you can have lots of videos to sort of look at in between and keep practicing?
I'm really looking forward to looking at all the videos. I can't wait to look at the videos and watch them and just learn more, and then like practice on the skins, and I'm really looking forward to just sort of getting stuck in and having that time between to get stuck in. And
exactly.
Really practice.
Brilliant. And there's unlimited practicing.
Yeah.
And contact with Katy, because she wants to see obviously all the practice skins that you'll be doing.
Yeah.
Before you come back for your final days.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward, and I'm glad that it's the 2 and then 2 later on, because of that time in the middle. Yeah,
exactly, because it's a new way of working. We sort of used to just do 4 days on the trot, which obviously we still do, but in certain circumstances where you can't work on live models for a while and you're a little bit restricted, then I think splitting it up 2 days and then doing another 2 days a bit later on gives you that extra time to practice, doesn't it?
Yeah, I feel like it's, especially because I'm still working, I feel like it's going to be really valuable time that I can use in between.
Excellent, brilliant. Well, good to see you, and we'll look forward to catching up with you very shortly once we get your live models in as well.
Thank you.
No problem. Take care.